Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Ascent. The Subaru Ascent is a breath of fresh air to families in need of more room. The reliability, safety, and practicality that Subaru has always been known for is now brought to you with third-row seating. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires, front all season, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, rear all season. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.